And if you want to sit and meditate on the ground, then I just want to show you what is the right way to sit and what is the right setup. So as you can notice, I'm sitting on a cushion and there's a smaller cushion under the seat of my body. Now this really helps in keeping the back straight and a little upright and keeping the head, neck and trunk aligned. Now when I sit, I have a few options as to how to keep my legs. I can simply fold them under me and keep, which is the simplest way to begin with, which in yoga we call sukhasana. Or I can fold my legs one at a time in this way. In this way, what happens is both my knees are down and very steady and still because they're getting supported by my cushion. And I adjust the cushion behind in a way that my back is straight. Now I am in a comfortable posture that I can hold for some time. Again, the head, neck and trunk are aligned. Your lower back is not engaged, upper back is not engaged. There is no stiffness, there's no rigidity, it's relaxed. Neck is neither rolling back nor front, it's straight. Hands, you can rest on your thighs with your palm facing up or palm facing down. Put them on your knees. These are the easiest ways to work with your hands. Some people also say that you can put your hands one on top of the other and keep them together on your thigh or on your lap. That's up to you, but see what works for you. Choose one and then stick to that. Try not to change your position. Don't meditate with your palms open one day, close one day. Initially, maybe you need to try, but then get into a position that works for you. Because stillness is a very important part of the practice. And if we keep trying to figure whether this works or that works, sometimes we don't let go and become still. And like I said earlier, letting go is an important part of the practice. So once you have got into position, just simply relax your whole body, rest, and start noticing your breath. So this is how you get into a helpful posture or a relaxed posture, at the same time an aware posture for meditation.